Hey there, Encappers. In today's episode, I'm going to share a little secret with you about how Encap-Punch can help you amp your cleaning game when you're dealing with filthy carpet. Stick around to find out more. So how can Encap-Punch help you when you're dealing with a really filthy carpet? Encap-Punch is designed as a pre-spray. It's engineered to provide you with just what you need to muscle through heavy soil, but it's also built on an encapsulation platform, which makes it compatible with our other Release It products. So how can Encap-Punch help you when you're dealing with really filthy carpet? You know, carpet that's going to kind of fight you as you clean it. Well, it's pretty simple. Encap-Punch is a pre-spray. It's built on an encapsulation polymer just like all of our Release It products. However, you're going to have the muscle power to help cut through heavy soil, to give you the extra emulsification to loosen up the soil so that you can encapsulate it properly. So how do you use this product when you come across a tough, challenging carpet? It's pretty simple, really. Mix Encap-Punch, 8 ounces, 10 ounces, or 12 ounces per gallon, depending on the soil load. 8 ounces will take care of mild to moderate. Medium is 10 ounces. A really heavy soil will be 12 ounces per gallon. You mix it, pre-spray the carpet, allow a little bit of dwell time, just a few minutes of dwell time, and then encap the carpet with a product like Encap Clean DS2 or Encap-1. What you're going to get is you're going to loosen up the soil prior to scrubbing the carpet with your normal encapsulation method. The benefit here is that actually as you go across the carpet with a Cymex machine or your orbital machine, CRB machine, whatever you're using with the traditional encapsulation detergent, the soil will already be loosened. So you're going to find that you're going to clean faster when you scrub the carpet. So you're gaining on your production time because you've loosened up that heavy embedded soil with Encap-Punch. Additionally, you can probably find that you're going to use just a little bit less solution to get the same results. So you can kind of back off on your usage of Encap Clean DS2 or Encap-1 as you clean the carpet. So yes, you've got an extra step. Yes, you've got an extra product, but you kind of get back a little bit of that in the cleaning process. You're going to use a little less solution and you're going to clean that much faster when you pre-spray those heavy soiled areas with Encap-Punch. Now, you don't need to spray the whole carpet with Encap-Punch. Just focus on the traffic lanes and the heavy soiled areas, unless of course the entire carpet is hammered. But in most cases you're going to find that there's those key areas that you want to use Encap-Punch on. So pre-spray those areas, give it a little dwell time like I mentioned, and then just go forward like normal. You're going to find that it really opens up a great opportunity to make your cleaning go that much faster. We sell a lot of Encap-Punch. It's the #1 product as a pre-spray for encapsulation for a very good reason. Another thing that you can do with Encap-Punch is you can use this in a hot water extraction mode. In other words, you can use it as a hot water extraction pre-spray as well as a hot water extraction rinse detergent. How cool is that? So one product covers everything there. You've got it as a pre-spray for hot water extraction, pre-spray for encapsulation, a rinse detergent. You can just do so much with it. Now here's a question that comes up sometimes. People ask us, can I use Encap-Punch as a booster? And generally we like to say it's better to use as a pre-spray because you're going to have the dwell time factor. So you spray it down, let it do its job as a pre-spray, allow the dwell time, and then come behind it and clean like normal in encapsulation method. However, there's really no reason why it can't be added because the chemistry is compatible. The polymer technology is compatible with our other Release It detergents like Encap Clean DS2 and specifically Encap-1. In which case, some guys are using it at like 8 ounces per gallon. So they'll take 8 ounces per gallon of Encap-Punch if they've got a really nasty carpet and spike their Encap Clean DS2 or Encap-1. However, you should see even better results using it as a pre-spray because you have the additional dwell time. One area of caution, sometimes people ask, can I use this in conjunction with Encap Hydrox? Encap Hydrox is an exception because it's very acidic. It's ranged between 3 and 4 in concentrate, so it's highly on the acid side, and that's what helps it to chomp away at organic soils, browning, water stains, anything that you would want something with a strong hydrogen peroxide and acid base. This has a pH around 9.5. You take your 3 to 4 range of Encap Hydrox and you're going to bring it somewhere in the middle. You're kind of defeating the purpose. So we don't generally recommend using this with Encap Hydrox. However, if you wanted to take this and pre-spray just that bad funnel area with Encap-Punch and clean the entire carpet afterwards with Encap Hydrox, it's really not going to be a big issue. Again, the polymer technology is compatible. It's just the pHs aren't going to balance out well with Encap Hydrox. So just as a word of caution, don't really recommend it so much for Encap Hydrox because the pHs are not going to match up. But using them with more traditional Encap detergents like Encap Clean DS2 and Encap 1, you're going to find that Encap-Punch will just knock it out of the park. It's just one more way we want to help you max your Encap, and Encap-Punch will certainly help you to do that. If you have any questions about using Encap-Punch or any comments, please put it in the comment section below. Also, if you don't mind, give us a thumbs up. That helps us with YouTube, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching Encap TV.